Good evening viewers, welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines. EV survey on consumer behavior of electric vehicles. Solar power in Telangana. US solar equipment maker Cubic PV to invest in India. Coming to the details. As the world is looking for energy transition, the buzz of electric vehicles is rapidly increasing and the companies are paving the way towards the transition through advanced research and investments. Ernst & Young has conducted a survey, Mobility Consumer Index, for more than 9,000 respondents from 13 countries, including 1,000 respondents from India. A more sample size is required to clearly understand the consumer behavior, but let us see the findings of the survey. Among the car buyers in India, 3 in 10 respondents would prefer to buy an electric or hydrogen vehicle. Nearly 90% of consumers in India are willing to pay a premium for buying an electric vehicle, and over 40% of respondents are ready to pay a premium of up to 20%. About 67% of those looking to buy an electric vehicle feel it is their responsibility to reduce their personal environment impact, and buying an electric vehicle is one of the way to achieve this goal. The motivation factors to buy electric vehicles. The reducing gap in cost of ownership between electric and other technology platforms. Lower running and maintenance cost. The increasing segment of consumers vocal about environmental impact in driving the fundamental change in consumer buying behavior for electric vehicles. There are few expectations from electric vehicle owners. A majority of the respondents surveyed in India consider a driving range of 100 to 200 miles for a fully charged electric vehicle. EV owners expect vehicle charging to take less than an hour. The initial policy pushed by Telangana government helped reap benefits, and by the end of 2020, the total installed capacity of solar energy in the state stood 3,936 megawatt, fourth in terms of production in India. However, in 2021, amid falling solar power tariffs, soaring raw material prices due to rise in commodity prices since last year, and increased awareness among consumers, industry players feel the state now needs to take a fresh look at this sector. Let us see what industry experts see in Telangana solar. The pros. Telangana single window clearance system has benefited industries. The state can look at supporting project developers by providing visibility of barren land parcels available for development of solar projects and policy programs for offtake of power generated from such projects. Potential for solar energy penetration is immense in the state of about 20.41 gigawatt. Annual return on investment on solar system continues to remain high, fueling demand from the residential as well as commercial customers. Cons. If policymakers were to address issues related to net metering, allow for distributed solar projects above 1 megawatt and opening up market for open access solar, then developers can truly accelerate decarbonization. Solar power subsidies that customers are entitled to take a long time to be credited, thus dampening the spirits of customers as well as upsetting the plans of the business. India, in its effort to boost domestic solar manufacturing and encouraging foreign investments in domestic solar manufacturing companies, have proposed 4 interlocking policies. First one is approved list of modules and manufacturers. Second, domestic content requirements. Third, basic customs duty that will be applicable from April 2022, and the production linked incentive scheme of rupees 4,500 crore. US solar equipment maker Cubic V has earmarked at least $350 million for investment in manufacturing facility in India, drawn by government's incentive schemes for local production. The proposed plant will be set up in partnership with any Indian company if Cubic PV's technology qualifies for government grant. The plant, which will mark Cubic PV's entry into India's renewable energy sector, will manufacture solar wafers and solar cells with capacity expected to touch 4000 megawatt by late 2023. Cubic PV's technology, which boasts efficiency rate as high as 30%, is ready to scale right now, making India an attractive destination to deploy the technology. The company CEO said that the India is a complex place and in order to be successful, we are going to need local partners. We are actively pursuing that. We will be looking at multiple partnerships rather than restricting themselves to one single company. Price discovery at power exchanges. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 112 million units of power for tomorrow cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night 2 rupees 21 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 1 rupees 75 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 3 rupees 57 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 2 rupees 38 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 2 rupees 54 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.